Mochi, Mochi, Mochi. Sitting where the bird seed is. What a plan. What an awesome plan you have there, my friend. So, are you planning to wait for the birds to land and then nosh them up? Nom them up? Is that what you're trying to do, bro? Is that what you're trying to do? I think it is. Wow, his fur is getting so fluffy. The bigger he gets, the more fluffy he gets. I hope you are all enjoying the new quality of video. Ah, beautiful, friend. Beautiful. I got a new phone, so my camera quality now for my phone videos are a lot higher quality, and I don't need to use my DSLR anymore because the quality is basically the same, which is incredible how technology has advanced. Oh, you spotted an ant. He spotted an ant. You spotted an ant, little bro. I love you. So yeah, expect a lot higher quality videos now. Isn't that right, beautiful friend? He's looking at the ants. Anyways, like and subscribe for more British short hair action. And belly rubs. Yeah, bro. Belly rub. I love you. I love you, Mochi.